I'm Taylor with Kowalski's Markets, and today we're making crispy rice cucumber salad with blackened salmon bites.
Start with the crispy rice. Take cooled basmati rice and toss it with tamari, sesame oil, chili crunch, and salt. Spread it thin on a parchment-lined sheet pan and bake at 400 degrees until golden and crisp, stirring halfway through. Set it aside to cool. This is your crunchy topper. Next, build the cucumber salad. Whisk together peanut sauce, tamari, sesame oil, minced garlic, and lemon juice. In a large bowl, add thinly sliced cucumber, thawed edamame, chopped celery, green onions, fresh mint, and a little salt. Drizzle on the dressing and toss until everything is glossy and coated. Now for the star, blackened salmon bites. Cut your salmon fillets into 1-inch cubes. Toss with olive oil, blackened seasoning, salt, and a touch of sugar. Air fry at 375 degrees about 5 to 6 minutes in 2 batches until the edges are dark golden and the centers are perfectly cooked. Pile the cucumber salad into bowls, top with those hot, spicy salmon bites, and finish with a generous handful of crispy rice for the ultimate crunch. Swap in a crispy chicken cutlet for an easy protein twist, or drizzle on sriracha aioli if you want extra heat.
And here you have Kowalski's crispy rice cucumber salad with blackened salmon bites.